Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Blood Red Skies. This exciting tabletop game lets you command squadrons of World War II fighter aircraft. You will use detailed aircraft models, specialized dice, and unique advantage bases to recreate thrilling aerial combat. Games are typically fast-paced, often concluding in about 45 minutes, making it perfect for quick, engaging battles. A core mechanic in Blood Red Skies is the advantage system. Your aircraft will be in one of three states: advantaged, neutral, or disadvantaged. This state determines when your planes activate each turn and their vulnerability to being shot down. When moving, aircraft fly straight up to their maximum speed, then can make a single turn of up to 45 degrees. You can also burn advantage for enhanced maneuvers. Combat is resolved through dice rolls. The attacking player rolls a number of dice equal to their pilot's skill plus the aircraft's firepower. A roll of 6 or higher on any die scores a success, with multiple successes being critical hits. The defender then rolls dice based on their pilot's skill and agility to attempt to dodge. If a hit is not dodged, the target loses an advantage level, and if already disadvantaged, it is shot down. Hits also generate boom chits for the opponent. Beyond basic movement, pilots can take special actions. These include shooting again, attempting to outmaneuver an opponent to reduce their advantage, or climbing to gain advantage for themselves. Victory in Blood Red Skies is achieved by demoralizing your opponent. When a player accumulates more boom chits than they have remaining aircraft, their squadron disengages, and you win the battle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.